What's up guys, Justin here with TheSketchUpEssentials.com. So just a quick reminder, the SketchUp Essentials course spring sale is currently live. This sale is going to give you access to the SketchUp Essentials course and everything that's contained inside of it. This sale is going to last until the end of the week, so if you've been looking for some great SketchUp instruction, this is definitely the place where you should go. So the SketchUp Essentials course is my step-by-step, start-to-finish guide on how to use SketchUp. We start off with the fundamentals, things like using basic modeling skills in SketchUp, things like that, making sure that you understand how to start creating your models. Then we get into more complex things like doing interior design models, as well as setting up models for layout so that you can learn exactly how to create construction documents and other things like that from your models. So I set this up to be a very detailed course. It has over 14 hours of SketchUp instruction, so you can be sure that we're not going to miss anything in what we're talking about. So in addition, I also wanted to set it up where you could get help if you needed it, because the worst thing is going through a course and then getting stuck and there's no one there to help you, right? So I've set this up with two different ways that you can get help. So there's the community forum, which is a place where you can go and talk and ask questions and I can answer them, as well as talk with other users of SketchUp. And I've also got our live calls. Our live calls are a ton of fun. You basically sit down and we just get together on a live call and just bring your questions. It's a face-to-face Q&A call where we just talk about SketchUp. So this makes it so you're definitely going to be able to get help with anything that you're working on. If you need something specific, those calls are a great place to go in order to get that help. Plus, I actually get to talk with you, which is a lot of fun. So as a part of this sale, right now, if you enroll in the SketchUp Essentials course, you're also going to get access to the full SketchUp Essentials for Architecture course. So this is my course specifically designed to teach you how to set your models up where you can create plans from them in layout. So I think this is probably the only course online where somebody actually walks you through the entire process of setting up a plan set inside of SketchUp. So we talk about everything from setting up our viewports to why layers are important, the different rendering styles, other things like that. So we get really in-depth in that. And then in addition to that, you also get full access to my Twinmotion Essentials course, where I teach you how to use the 3D rendering program Twinmotion in order to create realistic renderings from your models. And then finally, you also are going to get access to my 10 steps for better renderings in any program training. So even if you don't use Twinmotion, this training is going to break down the process of rendering into 10 steps that you can follow no matter the program that you're using in order to make your renderings more realistic. So I really want this to be like the one place where you can go and learn everything about 3D modeling in SketchUp, and then also the next steps, whether that is creating plans from your models or if it's creating 3D renderings. So if you purchase right now through the SketchUp Essentials course sale, you're going to get all of that. You're going to get the SketchUp Essentials course, you're going to get access to the community forum, you're going to get the live calls where you can go to ask questions and get help. You're also going to get access to the full SketchUp Essentials for Architecture course, the complete Twinmotion Essentials course, and my 10 steps to better rendering training. So I really do want this to be something that can really kind of take you from start to finish, where you can learn how to use SketchUp for what you want to learn it for. So the sale is going to last through the end of the week. I would love to teach you how to use SketchUp in the course, so make sure you check that out today. If you have any questions about any of this, feel free to leave a comment down below. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.